How to activate Golden State Advantage Sunbucks? Follow these instructions. If your child gets free reduced meals, call Fresh, CalWorks, Medicall, or is in foster care, they are automatically eligible. If not auto-enrolled, apply through your school's meal application before 2nd September 2025 to qualify. Sunbucks cards will be mailed in June, August 2025, depending on your child's enrollment type. Once you get the card, read the instructions included in the envelope carefully before using. Visit ebt.ca.go or use the EBT EDG app to activate the card and set a 4-digit PIN. Call 1-877-328-9677 if you need help activating the card or setting the PIN, available daily. Use the card at grocery stores or online, like Amazon Walmart, to buy eligible food with your 3-month benefit, $120 total. Thank you for watching.